Hi, I'm Duncan, founder of Dalston's. We make soda with soul, uniquely tasty drinks from real fruit and sparkling water. What gives Dalston's soda soul? 3 principles. Make drinks better for you, make drinks better for the environment, and make drinks that taste great, because a little enjoyment is good for the soul too. Dalston started in a nightclub in Dalston, London, hence the name. I'd seen a certain larger soft drinks company doing a lot of advertising around the Olympics and thought, we could do that, but better. Might sound bold, but over the last 8 years I've gone from making drinks in pots and pans in a nightclub to building a factory where we squeeze tons of fruit at a time to make our drinks. Then in 2017 we launched cans and really carried on growing. In June 2021 we've had our best month ever, selling over 600,000 cans of Dalston's to drinkers around the UK. Dalston's is now available in supermarkets Sainsbury's, Waitrose and Asda, as well as in UK-wide pub groups like Green King and Wetherspoons, health food shops such as Holland & Barrett and Whole Foods, and legions of independent cafes, bars and restaurants, the likes of which have supported us since the beginning. Oh, and of course we're now available online. Our recipes have always used less sugar, and last year we removed all refined sugar from our drinks completely. Dalston's cans now come in at around 40 calories each. That's around half the calories of your average banana. We've done this by working directly with farms like these to source fantastic ingredients. One of our best-selling drinks, our rhubarb soda, came about when we visited a farm up in Hereford and were presented with a particularly fantastic rhubarb juice. It was so delicious, we had to use it. And over the last 12 months, we've bought an entire field's worth of the stuff to make our drinks. We work with suppliers who have biodiversity promoting practices baked into what they do. And these are the sorts of values we seek in every partnership we make. Food sustainability is complex and challenging, but vitally important. You can help by supporting independent food and drink businesses like Dalston's who are leading the charge. That's why you'll never find us in a plastic bottle, and that's why we're becoming a carbon neutral company in 2021.
Hi, my name is Giles Brooke. I've been in the food and drink and startup industry for the last 25 years, involved in brands such as Innocent, Bear, Vita Coco, Mindful Chef and Pip & Nut, to name a few. But I've also been heavily involved in Dalston's, and it's been great watching Duncan and the team have incredible success in building the brand to where it is within the soft drinks industry today. Soft drinks is changing. Consumers want natural, healthy beverages, and they want to support independent different brands. And we want to make Dalston's the go-to brand in the UK over the next few years. And that's why we want your support.
We believe our ingredients and our principles make better soda, but there's so much more we want to achieve. We want to make Dalston's Britain's best loved sodas, and with your support we know we can. Thank you for watching.